What are you doing now, honey?
Here I'm just finish feed her, and now I'm burping her.
How's that feel, Olivia?
Oh, belanja. Mom's birthday October 5.